Good morning, students. In the last class, we have seen about air is necessary for photosynthesis and carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Today, we will see that in the presence of sunlight only oxygen is released. And before that, we will see two scientists. One is Jan Ingenhousz. One scientist, he only said that oxygen is released only in the presence of sunlight. What did he say? Oxygen is released only in the presence of sunlight. Next, Engelmann, he is another scientist. He said point of maximum rate of photosynthesis. Point of maximum rate of photosynthesis. So, Jan Ingenhousz said that oxygen in the presence of oxygen only, in the presence of sunlight only, oxygen is released. Engelmann said that point of maximum rate of photosynthesis. So, we will do one experiment to prove Jan Ingenhousz. This experiment is conducted by Jan Ingenhousz only. What he has done, he has taken two beakers. In that beakers, he has filled these beakers with funnel, with water. In one funnel, he has taken water plant called hydrilla, and he has fixed that water plant called hydrilla into the funnel, and he reversed this funnel and he kept this in the beaker. Both funnels in both beakers along with hydrilla plant. And on this he has taken one test tube and he has filled with water, and both test tubes are reversed and kept above this funnel. So till here it is clear, no? He has taken two beakers. He has filled the beaker with water and he has taken one funnel. In two funnels he kept two hydrilla plants. He reversed the funnel and kept in beaker. Two test tubes, he filled it with water and he reversed that test tubes and he kept that above the funnels. And one beaker he kept inside the home, another beaker he kept in the sunlight, and he waited for 3 to 4 hours. So the beaker which is kept in sunlight, in that the test tube have small bubbles, but here there were no bubbles. These bubbles indicate the presence of oxygen, that means release of oxygen. In sunlight, what happens? This plant utilizes the sunlight and photosynthesis taken place and oxygen is released. But here there is no sunlight, no photosynthesis, that's why no oxygen is released. From this experiment, it is proved that oxygen will be released only in the presence of sunlight. Next experiment is sunlight is necessary to formation of starch. That means starch will be formed only in the presence of sunlight. Here what they have done, they have taken one pot, and from that pot they have taken one leaf. To that leaf they have attached one black paper and they have waited for 2 to 3 hours. After that they removed this leaf and they have applied iodine solution. So the part where the black paper was kept, this part was green only and remaining part turned to blue color in the leaf. This part turned blue color. The middle part didn't turn blue color because it was covered by black paper for the past 3 hours. This tells that sunlight didn't pass from the black paper, so sunlight was not there, photosynthesis was not there, so starch is not there here. If sunlight was there, starch would be there and it would also be turned to blue color. So this proves that starch will be formed only in the presence of sunlight. So today we have seen two experiments. What is the assignment for today? You draw these two diagrams, beakers diagrams and this potted leaf diagram. These two diagrams you draw and send in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.